Alright, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over the determinant of a matrix. So the determinant of a matrix is going to be, if you set it up as A, B at the top, and then C, D at the bottom, it doesn't matter what they are, we're just going to call them that. To find the determinant of the matrix, we're going to multiply A and D together and subtract it by B and C multiplied together. So for this little example on the right, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply 4 and 2 together to start, and then what we're going to do is we're going to multiply 1 and 6 together. Now what this will do is this will allow us to set it up perfectly as AD minus BC, giving us 4 multiplied by 2 minus 1 multiplied by 6, which gives us 8 minus 6, giving us the determinant of this matrix right here. So the determinant of this matrix is going to be equal to 2. Alright, our next question is finding the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix of 10, 9, 3, and 2. So we're going to start off by labeling these, with this being our A, 9 being our B, 3 being our C, and D being our 2. Now we know we have to multiply our A and D together right here, and then after that we have to multiply our B and C together. So what this is going to give us is we're going to have 10 multiplied by 2 minus 9 multiplied by 3, which will give us 20 minus 27, which gives us a determinant of negative 7. Alright, now we have the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So what you're going to do in the terms of a 3 by 3 matrix is you're going to pick a starting spot. So we're going to say we're going to start with A, and we're going to ignore this row and this column. And what we're going to do is we're going to find the determinant of just the EFHI, which is a 2 by 2 matrix like we did before. And then once that's done, we're going to find it in terms of B. So we're going to ignore this column and this row, and we're going to use DFGI and find the determinant there, making sure to alternate between a negative and a positive. We're going to add C multiplied by, if you cross out the column and row again, the DEGH determinant, which gives you the A multiplied by E multiplied by I multiplied by AFG, because this is going to be the same thing as this one minus this one. And now we have B multiplied by D and I, which is our first section we're doing. And then we're going to add, because we have the negative here, B multiplied by F multiplied by G, like we have there. And following the same steps, it's plus C in brackets because it's positive, so we're going to have subtraction. C multiplied by D multiplied by H, like there. And we're going to have C multiplied by E multiplied by G, like we have there. And on the next page, we'll do an example. Alright, and now we have the determinant of our 3 by 3 matrix. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have our A multiplied by, and if you remember, we're going to cross out this first 2, giving us the matrix 3, 2, 2, 3. So we'll get rid of those lines, and we'll have the determinant of 3, 2, 2, 3. Now we're going to subtract B multiplied by, and I'll have this in a different color. We're going to get rid of B's and that. So our B is now going to be 2, 2, 3, 3. So our matrix is going to be 2, 2, 3, and 3. Now we're going to change it back to black. We're going to add this time C multiplied by our last matrix, which I'll put in orange, being getting rid of those and those, 2, 3, 3, 2. So So we're going to have 2, 3, 3, and 2. Now, I'll put it back in black because we're working with A. A is going to be 3 multiplied by 3 minus 2 multiplied by 2. So we're going to have A multiplied by 9, and we're going to subtract A multiplied by 4. Now we're going to subtract B multiplied by 2 and 3, which just gives us 6. So B multiplied by 6, and it's going to be plus 2 multiplied by 3, which is B multiplied by 6 again. And finally, we have plus C multiplied by 2 and 2, which gives us 4, minus C multiplied by 3 and 3, which gives us 9. Now we can fill it in. We know that A, B, and C are all 1, so we can just work with our numbers. So we're going to have A, or 9, minus 4, minus 6, plus 6, plus 4, minus 9. And we'll see that this crosses out with that crosses out with that, and that crosses with that, and it'll give us a determinant of 0.